G'day, I'm John Willis and welcome to the new range of altitude, lightweight, hard floor campers. Hard floor campers are the way to go. I love them. Nice and easy, but exceptionally strong, and for towing, really lightweight. This thing's got it all. Obviously this thing's got the bottom strength of the full galvanised chassis, but it's using some really smart technology and materials with composite aluminium panels and some fiberglass honeycomb floor. Altitude have built a great camper for Australia. It doesn't matter whether you're off-road, red dust corrugations, or thousands of miles on the hot bitumen. This trailer will get you there and get you back safely. It's got all the good gear, Cruisemaster independent suspension. It's got a full galvanised steel chassis with a strong drawbar, DO35 off-road coupling, 12-inch electric brakes, great ground clearance, great recovery angles, so you're going to get up and down all those slopes without a problem and without dragging your bum. Doesn't matter what you're doing and how many features you build into a camper, storage is always an issue, particularly with hard floor campers as well. But Altitude have combined a ton of great storage features into this unit. You've got the big toolbox out front, which has got room for 2 jerry cans as standard or another one as an option. You've got the Dometic hot water service, housed beautifully in the middle there, and you've also got 2 4-kilo gas bottles in there as well. On the driver's side, there's a compartment on the side, a fully dust-proof compartment that I reckon I could get into and travel around in. It's huge. There's pole rack, there's a pantry, there's sliding drawers, there's pots and pans storage, there's utensil storage, there's tons all round, but you haven't seen anything until you've seen the great big sliding drawer underneath the bed that's just huge. And not only can you access that from inside the tent, but you can actually get into it from the garage at home by opening up the tailgate and sliding the huge tray out. And there's even some more storage under that. A queen size inner spring mattress for plenty of comfort on the road. That's got timber slats under it for ventilation as well. And having that big size in there means that the fold over becomes a great big living area with plenty of room if you want to set up some bunks for the kids. There's 2 things you've really got to have when you're out on the road, and that's power and water. This has got 140 litres water capacity. It's got a Red Arc 1230 full battery management system with a pair of 120 amp hour deep cycling batteries as well. So you've got plenty of power, but the management to keep it charged for a long period of time. It's something I can't live without, and that's without a good Waco 80 litre fridge freezer as well. Keeps the beer cold, keeps the drinks cold, but it also keeps the food in great condition. There's some really ingenious use of slides here. Not only is the Waco on a good solid slide out, makes it nice and convenient, but the way they've designed the stainless steel kitchen is terrific. It pulls out on runners, but then it can pivot around to the side as well. So you can have the kitchen set up in a number of different configurations. You've got a 3-burner gas stove and you've got a stainless steel sink with hot water. If you're going to stay a while, you might want to put up the full-length awning. It goes all the way from the front of the luggage rack all the way to the back of the tent, and you know this one's got no spreader poles, so it's up in a jiffy. Altitude are a great Aussie company with a great Aussie product. It's made in Maryborough, Queensland from all locally sourced componentry, so you know you're going to get parts and backup wherever you travel in this great land.